Hi, Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today I'm going to preview this Volkswagen Transporter. Now these are getting really rare. This one's a T6.1. It's the Highline model. It's a 204ps DSG. Registered 2023 on a 73 registration. It's just had one owner from new. Full Volkswagen service history. Finished in this super ascot grey. It's had a full bespoke styling pack by ourselves. It's got lots and lots of additional factory options. When the previous customer ordered this vehicle, did tick quite a lot of boxes, wanted a high specification vehicle. It's done just over 17,800 miles. Super condition. Okay, so I'll do a walk around the outside, point out some features, benefits on the vehicle, the modifications we've done to the vehicle, and then we'll go inside the vehicle. Okay, so we'll start from the front. So one of the additional options, LED daytime running lights, headlights, really expensive, £1,500 that option. It's had our bespoke gloss black pack, so gloss black grille, gloss and matte Volkswagen emblem, gloss black fog light surrounds running through the bumper, and then this LVS lower splitter. As I say, the vehicle's in super condition. Just trying to find some stone chips, but can't find anything on there. Oh, just one tiny one there. Nice thing to see. Volkswagen stamp on the glass, original glass, no chips, cracks. Gloss black mirrors, caps and surrounds, part of our pack. Black Volkswagen badges and black 20-inch alloys. It's also got the black trapeze sidebars, privacy tint to the side loading doors, roof bars, stand back and just show you down that side. Smoked rear tail light clusters, gloss black LVR roof spoiler, privacy tint to the rear tailgate, heated wash wipe of course, gloss and matte badging, and it's had this LVR rear lower splitter to give it that sporty stance. Looks really neat on these vehicles. The ascot grey does look great with the gloss black touches as well. Really lovely combination. Now this one is a factory Kombi, so not a conversion, it's a proper factory Kombi. Can always tell when they've got electric twin doors, which this one has. Can't be fitted retro, so all factory produce this vehicle. I'll just take you in the cabin. So electric heated folding mirrors, that's standard on this Highline model. Front and rear park sensors standard. Auto headlights. Multifunction leather steering wheel with adaptive cruise control, that's standard. Okay, so another expensive factory option, it's got the full screen Discover Media navigation, which has built in the wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, depending which phone you've got. So you can run Google Maps through that screen, Siri, Spotify, whatever. Also it has navigation, factory navigation as well, so some people prefer Google or the car navigation. Heated seats, another additional option. Twin side electric doors, which can be worked from the key or from those buttons on the dashboard, or touching the door handles, as I'll show you shortly. It's got cab carpet as well, which is a factory option. Part of our pack, we've just fitted this bespoke premium leather. So it's lovely premium leather with perforations. Smooth on the outside, nicely embossed, subtle with our MASV. Some fantastic stitching. Now these are 2 single captain seats, and they're also swivel seats, so factory swivels as well. This vehicle, as I say, is high specification. It's also been ordered with the rear heater, so it's got the heating for the rear passengers. Electric door there opening. So moving into the rear, again matching leather, bespoke leather. It's got the 2+1 rear seat, so the dual bench can be lifted out, or the single seat. Really practical for your load length. Customers also had a rear table fitted. Of course, when you swivel the seat, you can use the table in the rear or for the passenger. Okay, so rear tailgate, this one another factory option. Electric tailgate as well. There's your rear heater. Now, speakers in the rear. I'll show you the speakers in the front. Previous owner has had this fully suede lined. Been done by Leighton Vans. It's got the LED downlights in the tailgate, as well as in the roof. Switches here. You can switch them on and off. Press the button and the tailgate will close. There we go. I'll just show you. The table can be taken out, folded down, so it doesn't have to stay in that position. Okay, so passenger airbag can be turned off if you have a child sat in the front. Okay, so moving into the cabin again, got your speakers here. All Alcantara suede lined down the A-pillars. And it's also got a expensive subwoofer under the passenger seat. All professionally installed. Led to believe customer said about £2,000. So proper sound system in this one. I won't play it because won't do it justice on this phone, but does sound really different to the standard stereo. Okay, there we have it. So as I say, this one is a 73 registration Transporter Highline Kombi van, factory Kombi, 204ps DSG, finished in the Ascot grey with the full MASV style pack, black gloss detailing, 20-inch wheels, side bars, roof bars, fully suede lined, upgrade stereo system, full leather interior, factory additional options, LED headlights, daytime running lights, electric tailgate, electric twin side doors, heated seats, Discover Media navigation, cab carpet, lots and lots of additional factory options. Now we'll be live on our website shortly, www.martinatkinsoncars.co.uk. I can be contacted on 07888 989877. Happy to take calls, discuss part exchanges, finance options. Will be available to view at our site in Scunthorpe. Any further questions, don't hesitate to contact me. And all left to say is thanks for watching. Please contact Chris and hope to speak to you soon. Bye for now.